Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, ay magre-review ulit tayo ng isang panibagong loan application. Kasi ngayong 2024 guys, ay ang daming naglabasan na bagong application. So i-review natin kung okay ba talaga sila or hindi guys. But for the meantime, ang application na ito guys, ay nagpapautang daw up to 10,000 pesos. Ayan, and napakabilis daw ng approval nito. But before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe dyan, ay mag-subscribe, i-hit ang bell button, and i-share na rin ang video ito. Mag-comment sa baba para mapabilang kayo sa mga upcoming giveaways natin, sa mga pa-Gcash giveaways. So, let's go! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys is magre-review ulit tayo ng isang lending application na nagpapautang nga up to 10,000 pesos ayon sa kanilang application guys. And ayon sa kanilang application sa Google ay Google Play Store ay sabi dito is get up to 30,000 pesos cash. Ayan. And this platform is made for Filipinos. Ayan. And napakabilis daw ng approval kasi it takes 3 minutes only ay approve na ang loan natin sa kanila. So, ang loan application na ito guys ay si Easy Loan. Ayan. And powered by Second Pay Financing Incorporated na meron silang 3.7 stars and 55 reviews. Ayan. So, 55 reviews meaning na talagang bagong-bagong application na ito guys. So, ayon sa kanilang application nga, ay sabi dito, apply within 3 minutes. Ayan. And then, get your loan by Gcash. Ayan. And easy repayment. And then, can apply Filipino citizen, 18 years old and above, with at least one valid ID. Ayan. And sabi dito sa kanilang application din, credit line amount, 1,500 to 30,000 pesos. And minimum term of 61 days and maximum term of 181 days. Titingnan natin guys kung talaga nga bang up to or from 61 days to 181 days ang loan term nito guys. So upon downloading guys, yung application na ito ay sabi daw, we need the following permission to start your loan application, to manage the calls, contacts, location, camera, ayan. And of course, magre-require sila ng phone number kasi yun po ang gagamitin natin pag maglalagin tayo sa application na i-attach. Ayan. And of course, ay bubungad sa atin ang kanilang privacy policy. Ayan. And ito na guys, yung ino-offer sa atin as first-timer sa kanilang application. Ayan. So, 0% interest, fast approval, and from 1,000 to 10,000 daw yung pwede nating mahiram sa kanila. Ayan. Before natin makuha yung ating uutangin sa kanila ay kailangan nating fill in sa basic information, contact information, identity information, ayan, and also yung employment information natin. So, sa basic information, so basic nga guys, so gender, date of birth, ayan, region, yung address natin, education situation, ayan, and marital status, email, ayan, and backup phone number, pero optional yun guys. So, pag optional, automatic na pass, okay? And then, after which guys, di naman tayo sa contact information. So, nangangailangan sila ng 3 guys na contact information. Ayan. And then, next is yung identity information. So, dito na guys, dito na tayo mag-upload ng mga ID natin, ng one valid ID, and of course, ay yung pa-selfie ni Mayor. Ganyan, okay? Of course, ilalagay natin yung ID number, last name, first name, and middle name dito guys. Dito na guys, yung mag-fill up tayo ng mga information talaga natin, like first name, last name, middle name, ayan, and yung ID number, ayan. So, ito guys, yung mga kailangan na ID sa application na ito. So, 5 lang ang pwedeng ID sa kanila. So, yung SSS, UMID, passport, driver's license, yung Philippine ID natin. Ayan. And then, after which, guys, after natin masend yung, or mailagay yung ID natin and yung pa-selfie, ay next is yung company or employment information. So, kailangan nito yung company name, phone, postal code, nature of company, occupation, and employment, and yung monthly income natin. So, dito guys, employment information, sabi dito na, please ensure all the information you filled is real and correct. To get higher limit daw ay, if you don't have employer, kung wala daw tayong employer, ayan, ay click natin yung skip. Pero kung gusto daw natin ng mas mataas na offer, ay i-fill up po natin ito. Pero optional yun guys. So, nasa atin kung gusto natin or hindi. And then, next na natin. Ayan. So, next thing is yung employment information. Ayan. So, dito guys ay magre-require sila ng company ID, ayan, back and front. And then, of course, yung salary, pay slip, ayan. So, next natin is, yun na, magkaalaman na. But before that, guys, ay yung disbursement channel pala, before yung approved na amount ay pwede natin gamitin ang bank account and yung GCash. Ayan. So, ayun na nga, guys, ay na-approve ang ating application. Ayan. So, makikita natin sa screenshot. Ayan. So, 1,500 guys ang approved na amount. So, huwag kayong maniniwala sa mga sinasabi nilang 10,000, di ba? Kasi pag first time, ay of course, ay magsisimula tayo sa pinaka-mababa. Ayan, like 1,000, 1,500. Ayan. So, in here ay 1,500 yung approved na amount, guys. Ayan. And then, sabi dito, you'll receive 1,112. Wow. So, meaning, ay malaki yung service fee worth of 225 and yung withdrawal fee ay 140. Wow, ang taas naman guys. And then yung repayment fee na 23 pesos. And dito na guys, sabi dun sa previews sa about application is 61 to 181 days. Pero I'm sure and huwag kayo maniniwala masyado dun guys. Kasi sabi dito, loan or term of loan or day, ayan, is 7 days. So, pag mag-loan ako ngayon, after 7 days ay yun po ang due date natin mga kaibigan. Ayan. So, sabi dito, if you don't repay this loan by the final due date, you will be charged an additional 10%. So, medyo mataas ang due dito or yung percentage pag na-due tayo. Ayan. So, medyo mataas nga yung mga bawas. Ayan. And 7 days payment. Okay, so that's it, our video, and that's it, the application, the review of this application, Easy Loan. And nasa inyo guys kung gusto nyo pa rin itry. Ayan. Pero for me is, hindi ko na po pinush through. Bagamat, iba-iba po tayo ng experience sa mga loan application. Kasi may mga magaganda and meron naman yung mga hindi kagandahan. So, comment down below kung ano yung naranasan nyo or kung nakapag-try na kayo sa Easy Loan application na ito. Para malaman din namin mga first-timer yung mga experiences ninyo guys. So, that's it, my review, and sana nakatulong sa mga naghanap ng mga utangan or naghahanap ng financial na pangangailangan ngayong 2024. So, that's it nga, and I will see you in my next video. Like and subscribe!